If Steam is showing the game already running error, don't worry, because this is usually a ghost process issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error often happens when Steam still thinks a task is active in Windows, even after the game window has already closed. In many cases, it's caused by Steam Overlay hanging in the background or Cloud Sync getting stuck at 99%. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first and most effective fix is to use Task Manager. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and S to open Task Manager right away. If it opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see everything running on your PC. Now go to the Processes tab and look for the game that Steam says is already running. It may be listed by the game name or sometimes by a related process name. Once you find it, click on it once, then choose End Task. This forces Windows to close the hidden process that may still be blocking Steam from launching the game properly. After that, try opening the game again from Steam. In many cases, that alone solves the problem. But if the error comes back, the next step is to restart Steam completely. A normal close isn't always enough, so first find the Steam icon in the system tray near the clock. Right-click it and select Exit. This shuts Steam down fully instead of leaving it running in the background. Once Steam is closed, wait a few seconds, then relaunch it and try the game again. This step is important because Steam can sometimes keep a broken session alive, even when the main window is closed. If you're still seeing the error, restart your computer. This is one of the simplest fixes, but it works surprisingly often because it clears out stubborn hidden processes, stuck sync tasks, and temporary system conflicts. After the restart, open Steam again and test the game before doing anything else. If the game launches normally, then the issue was likely just a temporary process lock. If the problem continues, the next thing to do is verify the integrity of the game files. In Steam, go to your library and right-click the affected game. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files. From there, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your installation and replace any missing or corrupted files automatically. This is especially useful if the game was interrupted during an update, if a file became damaged, or if Steam is failing to recognize the game correctly. Let the scan finish completely before trying again. Another fix that can help is opting out of the Steam beta client. Sometimes beta features introduce bugs, interface issues, or launch problems that can trigger strange errors like this one. To do that, open Steam Settings, go to Interface, and look for Client Beta Participation. Change it to No Beta Chosen. After that, restart Steam so the change fully applies. Then try launching your game again and see if the error is gone. If you still can't launch from Steam, try a direct launch. Open File Explorer and go to the Steam Library folder, usually inside the Steam Apps folder. Then locate the games.exe file. Double-click that executable and launch the game directly one time. This can help reset the link between Steam and the game process. After that, close the game and try launching it normally through Steam again. In some cases, this clears the ghost state and lets Steam recognize that the game is no longer running. So to recap, the best way to fix the Steam game already running error is to end the hidden process in Task Manager, restart Steam fully, reboot your PC, verify the game files, opt out of Steam Beta, and finally try a direct launch from the .exe file. Most people will get results from the first 2 or 3 steps, so start there and work your way down the list. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple Steam fixes, PC troubleshooting tips, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.